Alright, you are welcome to this lesson, and in this video we have been asked to find the dy dx of these functions: y equals ln x all squared all over x, and the second one is y equals e to the x squared all over tan x. And we have to solve that using the quotient rule. And what does the quotient rule say? It says if you have a function of y and this function is rational, u of x all over v of x, where this v of x is not equal to 0, otherwise this function becomes undefined, then the dy dx of this function is equal to this. How do we get this? We get this by keeping the second function and finding the u prime of the first one, minus keeping the u of the first function and finding the v prime of the second function, all over the square of the second function. So by taking this first problem, the first one, y is equal to ln x all squared all over x, by taking this problem, we are sure that this one here is equal to u of x, and this x here is equal to v of x. Now if this is true, we can say u prime of x will be what, and v prime of x will be what. Now v of x is equal to x, and v prime of x is equal to 1. Now u of x is equal to ln x squared. By the power rule, we know that the derivative of this is 2, comes down to multiply that, so we have 2 ln x into the derivative of this ln x is 1 all over x. So that is it. So we can apply the quotient rule here and see what we get. So the dy dx of the function is equal to, the law says that we should keep the second one, and put the u prime. U prime is 2 ln x into 1 all over x. That is what the law says. Now minus u of x now is ln x squared, ln x all squared into v prime is what, is 1 all over the square of v, that is x, then all squared. That is what we need. Now we know that this can cancel out this, and finally our answer will be dy all over dx will be 2 ln x minus ln x all squared all over x squared. That is the answer to this problem. Now if you like, you can factor ln, that is a choice. Now this is the answer to our first problem, and the second one, y is equal to e to the x squared all over tan x, and we know that u of x is equal to e to the x squared, and v of x is equal to tan x. Now what is u prime of x? U prime of x is equal to 2x e to the x squared by the rule, and this will be v prime of x is equal to sec squared x. So let us apply that rule and see. Now our dy dx for the function is, what do we do first? We keep the second one, which is tan x, and we differentiate our u. What is our u prime? This is the u prime, that is 2x e to the x squared, minus, we keep the u. Now what is our u? E to the x squared, and u prime is secant squared x, all over tan squared x. That is what it says, squared of what is below. So this is the result we get when we solve the second problem. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.